Tired of worrying about prying eyes accessing your sensitive Excel data? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to password protect your Excel spreadsheets, keeping your confidential information safe and sound. First, open the Excel spreadsheet you want to protect, then click on the File tab in the upper left corner of the Excel window. Next, in the Backstage view, select the Info section from the left-hand menu. Now, click on the Protect Workbook drop-down menu from the options presented. Choose Encrypt with Password. A password dialog box will pop up. In this box, carefully type in the password you want to use to protect your spreadsheet. Make sure to choose a strong password that's difficult to guess, but also one you can remember. Then, click OK. Excel will now ask you to re-enter your password. To confirm it, type in the exact same password again and click OK. You'll notice under the Protect Workbook option, it now says a password is required to open this workbook. This confirms that your spreadsheet is now password protected. Close your Excel file and then reopen it. You'll now be prompted to enter the password you just set. Enter the correct password and click OK to access your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully password protected your Excel spreadsheet, ensuring your valuable information remains secure. Be sure to save your password in a safe place.